Is your Tosot Portable Air Conditioner turning off unexpectedly? We'll walk through the most common causes and solutions for these shutdowns. First, check the power supply. Ensure your unit is plugged into a working outlet and inspect the power cord for any visible damage. Test the LCDI plug by pressing the test and reset buttons. Always plug directly into the wall outlet and avoid extension cords. Accidental timer activation is a common cause of unexpected shutdowns. Check your remote control or unit display for any timer indicators. If the timer is active, press the timer button to disable it. In auto mode, your Tosot air conditioner operates automatically based on factory settings. The set temperature cannot be adjusted or displayed in this mode. This is normal behavior, not a malfunction. If your unit continues to shut off, try a complete reset. Disconnect the power for 3 to 5 minutes, then reconnect and turn the unit back on. This can resolve temporary electronic glitches. Remember the 3-minute compressor protection feature. This built-in delay prevents damage by waiting 3 minutes before restarting the compressor after power outages, mode changes, or quick on-off cycles. This is normal operation, not a malfunction. These troubleshooting steps address the most common causes of unexpected shutdowns in Tosot portable air conditioners. Check power connections, verify timer settings, understand auto mode behavior, try a reset, and remember the compressor protection delay. Overheating is one of the most common reasons your Tosot air conditioner keeps shutting off. Poor ventilation around the unit is usually the culprit. Your air conditioner needs proper airflow to function correctly. Keep the unit at least 2 feet away from walls and furniture to ensure adequate ventilation. A full water tank will automatically shut off your air conditioner to prevent water overflow. This is a safety feature that protects your home from water damage. The H8 error code typically indicates a full water tank. Empty the tank frequently, especially in humid conditions when more condensation forms. A dirty air filter is a major cause of air conditioner problems. It restricts airflow, causes overheating, and reduces cooling efficiency. Clean your air filter every 2 weeks during heavy use. Wash it with warm water and mild detergent, then let it dry completely before reinstalling. The exhaust hose must be properly connected and positioned for your air conditioner to work efficiently. A kinked or improperly installed hose can cause shutdowns. Keep the exhaust hose as short and straight as possible. Avoid kinks, bends, or extensions that can restrict airflow and cause the unit to overheat. If you see error codes like H8 or E8 on your display, consult your user manual for specific troubleshooting steps. Some issues require professional HVAC service. Regular maintenance prevents most issues, but complex problems like refrigerant leaks or compressor failures need expert attention. Don't hesitate to call a professional when needed.